Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 10 of ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video, we will talk about the HTTP response headers while using static file options. This is continuation of part 9, static files in ASP.NET Core. So please watch it before proceeding to this one. I shared the link in the description. So in our last video, we were exploring the option that can we restrict browser to resend request if browser already cached the images or the static files, as static files will not change that frequently. And to achieve this, we will take help of HTTP headers. Let's go to the Visual Studio, and this is the project which we were working on. Let's delete the code which we created to deal with static files in the folder other than W3 root. So a static file option, in addition to configuring static files serving from the web root, it can also use to set HTTP response headers. Let's see how. So go to static file option definition, and this class have a property on prepare response. And this property will be used to add or change the response headers. So let's use that property to inform browser about our intentions. So curly braces open, curly braces close, and on prepare response, let it be equal to CTX for context, such that curly braces open, curly braces close, and let's press Ctrl KD for proper alignment of our code. So within both these curly braces, we need to set our headers, response headers. Okay, so CTX dot context dot response dot headers, square bracket open, and let's use header name classes. So header names, press Ctrl dot, and header name is present under Microsoft.NET.HTTP headers. Let's add it. And if you go to the definition of header names, let's press F12, and you will see there are lots of header availables, which we can send back to the browser, and all browsers behave same for most of the headers. We'll tell you why I add for most of the headers. So let's type header names dot cache control. So we will going to use that property, square bracket close equal to $, and let's make it public, and let's set the max age, max hyphen age is equal to 20. So 20 is for seconds. So our code is ready, and in the response header, our code is send a cache control header property, and we make it public, and it will going to sustain for 20 seconds. So our code is ready, and this will inform browser about our intention that to not send request to our server for 20 seconds if you already cached our static files. Let's place one breakpoint within run middleware and the other one within our options. Let's run the program. First, we are using Chrome. So press F12 and change the URL to images/image1.jpg and hit enter. Let's get back to the developer tool and click on image1. And in the response header, you can see that cache control properties have been set, and it is set to public, and max age is 20 seconds. So if I press F5 only, you will see request is still going to our middleware. It means Chrome doesn't wait for 20 seconds even after sending cache control header. So different browsers behave differently for cache control header as per their policies. Some forum says that instead of F5, if we navigate within our application or copy and paste the URL directly, then Chrome adhere cache control properties. But I tried it and it is not working. So let's try that. First press Ctrl plus F5. And now this time, instead of pressing F5, just copy the URL and paste it into a different tab. Now if you see, if we send request within 20 seconds, our debugger will only hit run breakpoint. Try one more time and see only hitting run debugger. Just keep on trying, and after 20 seconds, it start hitting both the debuggers. Alright. See, now this time it hit debugger at line number 27, and when I press F5, it will also hit the run debugger as well. And now if I check in the developer window, first press Ctrl plus F5 quickly, open a new tab, press F12 to capture the fresh request, copy and paste the URL. And now you will see, instead of size, Chrome display disk cache. The only problem which I can see during development is it is still sending request, although it is not validating e-tag and all. We just checked that it is not hitting both the debuggers. Alright. Let's see the behavior in Firefox. So let's open it, copy and paste, as this is the fresh request. So it will go to our middleware, press F5, it will hit our run middleware as well. So let's hit once again. So you can see image is processed within browser itself. So Firefox is taking care of cache control header, but Chrome doesn't. See, again after 20 seconds, it start hitting our middleware. Alright. So you can see Firefox wait for 20 seconds, but Chrome doesn't. So we can't do much about that. Browsers also keep on updating themselves and work how they can provide better experience to their end users. We'll update you if I get any further information about this behavior. So that's it from this tutorial. If you have any query, do ask me on comments. Till then, thanks for watching.